Let's make some garlic Parmesan cheese air fried chicken. First, you're going to need some garlic powder, onion powder. You'll also need some black pepper, some Creole seasoning, no salt. I like this because I don't want to be salted up. Also add some black pepper. I did say that at first. We're going to add some olive oil and some parsley. Just use as much as you need for your own liking. I'm using this roasted olive oil, and I'm just going to mix it really well so that way my chicken is completely covered. If your chicken is not covered enough, add some more seasoning to it because we do want something to bite into with flavor. Now we're going to add our chicken on our air fryer piece. I got this Galanz from Walmart for $99. You might find it on sale for about $70. It's an air fryer and a microwave. It's all of that above. It's a pretty good unit, but there are other units out there that are a little better than this. I'm going to cook it on 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Then I'm going to add some olive oil on a garlic. Then I'm going to close the garlic in the foil. And we're going to put this on top of our chicken. There's no perfect way to put it in there. You can just slap that bad baby right on top of that chicken. Now, after 15 minutes, we're going to remove the chicken and flip it. Then we're going to put it back in the oven on 400 degrees for 25 minutes again. Now, we didn't keep it in there for the full 25 minutes. We only kept it in there for 15 minutes. Before we add it in the microwave, we do want to take that garlic out and squeeze it out, mush it down. Then we're going to add 1 full thing of butter and the garlic inside of a heated pan. You want 3 tablespoons of sour cream. I should skip this Parmesan cheese part, y'all. It made my chicken look so damn nasty. It made it look like it was throw up. So you can skip this. Add some mozzarella cheese or some Parmesan grated cheese, but this one was not it. So I had to go the extra mile and add some wine to it to loosen it up because I didn't want it so thick. But look how it's starting to look now. Yeah, past that damn Parmesan cheese. Do not add that on your chicken. Now we're going to put our chicken inside of a bowl and then add that thick, creamy sauce on top. I know, y'all, it might look nasty, but I guarantee you once you bite into that chicken, you're going to love it. Now, if you don't want to use any of that, you could just use the garlic and the butter, and I'm telling you, that probably would have tasted a whole lot better. Now we're going to plate it to make it look even nicer because the presentation is not that great at all. So I'm adding a couple of green leaves to it. And you can go the extra mile by adding some parsley. Oh,